Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Occidental belt is probably one of the most versatile and durable accessories you can add to your wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of rugged functionality and timeless style that can elevate any outfit, from casual jeans to more formal attire, making it an indispensable item for anyone who values both fashion and practicality in their everyday wear. Number 5. JUKMO Quick Release Tactical Belt. Introducing the JUKMO Quick Release Tactical Belt, designed for durability and quick access. This belt is perfect for any demanding situation. It features a robust seatbelt buckle for secure fastening. You can rely on its strength and ease of use. Crafted with 1.5-inch wide nylon webbing, it offers exceptional strength and comfort. This material is built to withstand tough conditions. Ideal for military, work, or outdoor adventures. This belt provides the reliability you need for any task. The quick-release buckle ensures you can put it on and take it off in seconds. Experience unparalleled convenience and security. Whether you're hiking or on duty, this belt performs. Its tactical design ensures it keeps up with your active lifestyle. What we like. This belt offers a quick and secure closure with its heavy-duty nylon construction. If you need a reliable belt for outdoor activities like hiking or tactical operations, this is a great choice for its durability and ease of use. What people say. Thick and stretchy that holds and moves for comfort instead of those hard stiff belts. The quick release is great to have when time comes, yet won't come through belt loops when undone. Tactical friendly, strong, simple yet stylish, easy to adjust. The belt is high quality and fast and easy with clip button. The buckle is simple and easy to use, also very durable. Number 4. FUERI Full Grain Leather Tool Belt. Introducing the FUERI Full Grain Leather Tool Belt, meticulously handmade for the dedicated professional. Experience unparalleled durability and organization for all your essential tools. Crafted from thick, maroon full-grain leather, this belt is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Its foam-padded, mesh-lined design ensures comfort throughout your workday. With 17 strategically placed pockets, including specialized holders for hammers, tape measures, and squares, everything you need is within easy reach. Keep your workspace tidy and your workflow efficient. Whether you're a carpenter, electrician, or handyman, this versatile tool rig is your perfect companion. Its adjustable belt fits waist sizes from 30 to 52 inches, accommodating all professionals. We stand by our quality. This heavy-duty tool belt comes with a 1-year warranty, offering you peace of mind and confidence in your investment. The reinforced pockets stay open, allowing for quick and easy access to your tools. Spend less time searching and more time creating. What we like. This option provides extensive storage with 17 pockets and is crafted from thick full-grain leather for durability. If you are a carpenter or electrician looking for a robust organizer with ample space for all your tools, this belt is designed to keep you efficient on the job. What people say. The Occidental Leather 5003 Pro Framer Tool Belt is a top-quality, durable tool belt designed for professional framers. It features a unique no-spill pouch design that keeps tools organized and easily accessible. The belt is made from heavy-duty leather and reinforced stitching, ensuring longevity and reliability on the job site. Number 3. FUERI Leather Tool Belts. Introducing a heavy-duty tool belt designed for professionals. It offers exceptional durability and organization for all your essential tools. Made from premium, thick full-grain leather, this handmade organizer is built to last. The reinforced stitching and padded belt ensure comfort and longevity on any job site. With 19 strategically placed pockets and pouches, including specialized holders for hammers, tape measures, and squares, everything has its place. Accessing your tools has never been easier. Whether you're a carpenter, electrician, or handyman, this tool rig is perfect for your needs. It keeps all your accessories organized and readily accessible, streamlining your workflow. The foam-padded, mesh belt with a double buckle provides a secure and comfortable fit, adjustable from 30 to 52 inches. It also features D-loops for suspender attachment. This tool belt is backed by a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Invest in a reliable tool storage solution that supports your demanding work. What we like. With 19 pockets and a double hammer holder, this belt offers even more specialized storage for your tools. If you are a framer or builder who frequently uses hammers and needs superior organization, this heavy-duty leather belt is built to withstand demanding work. What people say. The Occidental Leather 9800 Adjust-to-Fit tool belt is a high-quality, durable tool belt that is designed to be comfortable and supportive. It features a unique adjust-to-fit system that allows the user to customize the fit of the belt to their individual needs. The belt is made from heavy-duty leather and features reinforced stitching for added durability. Number 2. Occidental Leather Adjust-to-Fit Industrial Pro Electrician Set. Introducing the Adjust-to-Fit Industrial Pro Electrician Set, designed for the commercial electrician. It offers a full range of adjustment, fitting waist sizes from 32 to 40 inches. This set is engineered for efficient, hand-specific tool and fastener organization. It's built with the highest quality materials for journeymen who demand the best. It features durable leather no-spill tool holders that mold to your tools. These holders are designed to provide years of reliable service. With 31 pockets and tool holders, you'll have ample space for all your essential tools. This set weighs just 5.2 pounds for comfortable wear. Proudly made in the USA since 1980, this product upholds the highest quality standards in the tool belt industry. It has earned a reputation for having no equal. What we like. This set is specifically designed for electricians, featuring 31 pockets and tool holders for optimal organization. If you are a commercial electrician seeking a high-quality, USA-made tool belt that offers a precise fit and specialized compartments, this is an excellent investment for your trade. What people say. Tons of room for all my hand tools. Very comfortable and high-quality leather and craftsmanship. These are built with the same craftsmanship I put into my trade, and I value a quality product. I can tell these bags will last for years to come, and more than enough room for all my tools needed for the appropriate task. Awesome tool pouch. Holds up very well in a construction environment. Plenty of room for tools. Will fit a size 44 waist no problem. Number 1. Occidental Leather Pro Carpenter's 5-Bag Tool Belt Assembly, Large. Introducing the Pro Carpenter's 5-Bag Tool Belt, designed for ultimate comfort and efficiency. Its unique one-piece design molds to your body, ensuring an even weight distribution for all-day wear. This American-made classic is handcrafted with premium top-grain leather, built to be your most trusted companion on any job. Experience the difference quality makes. It features hand-specific tool holders for optimal workflow and a no-spill system to keep your essentials secure. Reinforced with copper rivets, it's built to last. With 22 pockets and tool holders, it offers ample space for all your essential tools. This assembly provides the capacity you need to tackle any project. Crafted from premium top-grain cowhide, it's tanned to stringent specifications for durability. This material is designed to withstand the demands of heavy outdoor use. Proudly made in the USA, this tool belt is a testament to quality craftsmanship. Invest in a tool that will serve you reliably for years to come. What we like. This assembly boasts 22 pockets and a unique buscadero design for even weight distribution, perfect for carpenters. If you are a carpenter looking for a premium, handcrafted tool belt that conforms to your body for maximum comfort and efficiency, this American-made option is a trusted classic. What people say. The Occidental Leather 5003 Pro Framer Tool Belt is a top-tier choice for professionals seeking durability and functionality. Crafted from high-quality leather, this tool belt is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use on the job site, offering excellent longevity. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, distributing weight evenly to reduce strain during long working hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.